guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what I'm thinking? I think it's time for the big reveal. Alright guys, I moved her down into the shade so I can get some better videos of the inside of it. Alright guys, so in the last video, I mentioned that I got some merch from LMR and a few parts. These are the two shirts I picked up. If you're thinking about getting these, I'd definitely go out and get them. I really like them. I just wore this one right here last night over to the movie theater. It's a really nice shirt. It's cool. And the logos are nice on there too. So yeah, I'd definitely go out and get another one. For like 25 bucks, I mean, anything's expensive. You might as well get something cool or with a Foxbody on the back or something you actually are into, you know what I mean? But I like these shirts a lot. They're pretty cool too. So I ordered a few things from LMR. I got some new clutch pedal pads, some plug wire separators, some door striker bushings, and a new panel to go right there, this molding, because mine's cracked here. And I did light body work on it with no filler because it was all busted up here and it cracked back out. So once it gets a little worse, I'll actually just pop the center fender back and repaint the other one and put it on there. But for now, we're gonna put these right here on the car. So right now, this is how it looks. It's got these little black ones right here going around it, and we're just gonna swap those out real quick. You know what? I was gonna put these on, but like, it's actually like massive. It's like way too big. So I'm gonna pop these back off. Back to the originals. They're a lot like lower profile and smaller, if you know what I mean? Compared to those, there's just too much space in between them. But those look good still. I think these are like the original ones, because like on the valve covers over here, they like slide onto the little studs that hold the valve covers on. So I think they're the originals, but I'm not sure. But looks good under here. Just gotta wipe a few things down, clean it up. Alright, since that didn't work out, we'll just swap out these pedal pads. Alright guys, I just washed it, so I put it back in the garage. And I swapped out those pedal pads last night. Here, I'll show them to you. They look nice. And we polished up the exhaust, so everything looks good. Alright guys, you know me, you know I like going to car shows, and we got one to go to now. From 10 to 4 over at the Ford place in town. There's a car show, and I'm going to take my car, and my brother's going to take his truck. I'll show it to y'all here in a minute, but it's a 1990 Ford F-250, and then I got the 86 Mustang. And yeah, we're going to take them both over there, and probably walk around for a while, and then head over to the Walmart and look at a few things over there, because it's a 6-hour-long show, and once you hang out for so long, you get bored, you know. But yeah, we're gonna take them over there, have a good time, and then we gotta go to a cookout later that evening. Alright, so that's the truck. And right here in the truck bed, you see he's got a PVC pipe sticking out. He put the flag back there, so he'll have the flag in there before we leave for the car show. Here's the inside of it. It's got the 5-speed manual. Old Mickey Thompsons and 35s.
How's it going? Yeah, very well. I'm going to get you some water here.
Past 10 years they've taken over. Holy crap. What are you guys doing? You? Feeling a little older.
Alright guys, we just left the car show. Neither one of them won, but they look good over there. Let's get them home. Alright guys, it's time to wrap this one up. So thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.